Hi, hello, good morning students. Welcome to Apple Virtual Class. My name is Sudha. I teach you science. Students, follow our school parent tab and do your homeworks regularly. Today I am going to teach science of class 1. Students, what we learnt in our previous class is we have learnt about living things. Let's revise once. Living things means the things which have life are called living things. For example, human beings, plants, animals, birds. Now, what are the characteristics of living things? Yes, living things can grow, living things can move, living things can breathe, living things take food and water, and living things feel and react and reproduce. Now, we are going to learn about non-living things. Non-living things means the things which do not have life are called non-living things. For example, car, table, rock, etc. Let's see the characteristics of non-living things. Non-living things do not need food. For example, we eat food. See this duster. Does this duster eat food? No. Why? Because duster is non-living thing. So, it does not need food. Non-living things do not need water. For example, we drink water. See this book. Does this book need water? No, because book is a non-living thing. The book does not need water. Next, non-living things do not breathe. For example, we breathe air. See? Does this pencil breathe air? No. Why? Because pencil is non-living thing. So, non-living things do not breathe. Next, non-living things do not feel and react. For example, if we touch a cup of milk, we feel either it hot or cold. But a cup cannot feel its hot or cold. Here, cup is a non-living thing. Next, react. If we touch or hit a dog, it will react. If we touch this table, it does not react. Why? Table is non-living thing. Next, non-living things do not move. We can move from one place to another. For example, if you take this bottle, does this bottle can move? No, because bottle is a non-living thing. It does not move. Next, non-living things do not grow. If we take a small plant, it grows into as a big tree. Now take this rock. Does this rock grow? No, because rock is a non-living thing. Next, non-living things do not reproduce. For example, if you see a dog, it gives birth to a small puppy. Now, take this eraser. Does this eraser produce another eraser? No, because eraser is non-living thing. Once, non-living things means things which do not have life are called non-living things. What are the characteristics of non-living things? Non-living things do not need food, do not need water, do not breathe, do not feel and react. Non-living things do not move, non-living things do not grow and do not reproduce. Let's see what are the differences between living things and non-living things. The differences between living things and non-living things. Living things can grow. Living things can grow. Non-living things cannot grow. Living things can move, but non-living things cannot move on their own. breathe. Living things can feel and react. Non-living things do not feel and react. Living things need food. Non-living things do not need food and water. Living things can reproduce. Non-living things do not reproduce. Let's see once. Living things can grow, but non-living things do not grow. Living things can move and living things can breathe, living things can feel and react, living things need food and reproduce. See non-living things. Non-living things do not grow, do not move and do not breathe and do not feel and react, do not need food and water, do not reproduce. Students, let's find are these things living or non-living. First, car. C-A-R, car. Does a car grow? No. Does a car breathe? No. So, car is non-living thing. So, we have to write N. N means non-living things. Next, D-O-G, dog. Does the dog grow? Yes. Does the dog breathe? Yes. So, dog is living thing. So, write here L. Next, L-I-O-N, lion. See, lion. Does the lion grow? Yes, it can grow. Does the lion breathe? Yes, it can breathe. So, lion is living thing. Right here, L. T-A-B-L-E, table. Say, does the table can grow? No. Does the table can breathe? No. Say, is it living or non-living? Yes, it is non-living thing. So, write N. Next, chair. C-H-A-I-R, chair. Say, does this chair can eat? No. Does this chair can drink? No. So, say, is this chair living or non-living? Yes, non-living. So, write here N. Next, C-A-T, cat. Say, does the cat can move? Yes. Does the cat can eat? Yes. Say, is this cat living or non-living? Yes, living. Next, C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer. Does the computer grow? No. Does the computer eat? No. Then what is it? Yes, it is a non-living thing. So, here write N. Next, P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. Does the pencil eat? No. Can the pencil grow? No. They say, what is it? Is it living or non-living? Yes, pencil is non-living thing. So, write here N. Next, T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Does the tiger grow? Yes. Does the tiger breathe? Yes. So, say, is the tiger living or non-living? Yes, living. So, here write L. L means living thing. Students, did you understand this lesson? Okay, we will meet in next class with another topic. Complete today's homework. It is in diary button. Bye. Take care. Have a nice day.